G'day, it's fugitive Australian journalist Shane Dowling from the website kangaroocourtofaustralia.com. Now, Facebook has in effect deleted my Kangaroo Court of Australia Facebook page. They haven't given any reasons except to say it goes against community standards, their community standards, what they are exactly. They're not telling me, not saying which article I published broke those standards. They've just blocked it. Now, this has happened while the government in the middle of bringing in new misinformation laws, they're calling them, where the Australian Communications and Media Authority are going to be empowered to force people like Facebook and YouTube and Twitter, etc., to block certain articles they don't like. They're going to call them misinformation. Well, I'm going to do an article on that, but I just wanted to focus this video on Facebook blocking my page without even giving a reason. Now, I first became aware the page had been blocked on the 16th of September, which seems to be a couple of days after they actually blocked it. The reason being I can still access the page as a publisher, but and I didn't realise there was a message on there saying they had unpublished it. They don't say they've blocked it or deleted it, they say they've unpublished it. And you click on the message to try and have it reviewed, and you can't. All you can do is give them feedback that you're not happy with it, and that's not even working when you click on it. Now, when I found out, I put a message on Twitter that it had been blocked, and I thought I'd give it a few days because I did click on the button on that I'm not happy, and I thought maybe they'd fix that. They're saying it's unavailable, doesn't work. And let's have a look at the sort of 5 or 6 articles that I actually published up until when they blocked it. Now, the last article I did publish was on the 15th of September, and it's titled "Senator Jacinta Price Betrays Indigenous Australians," says Minister Linda Burney. Well, maybe they weren't happy about that. Maybe Senator Jacinta Price complained. Who knows? Now, the previous article I published was on the September 15th. Once again, it's one of Peter Dutton's old Twitter posts, and it says Peter Dutton says to enjoy your weekend. Well, certain people anyhow, and it says the Peter Dutton tweet says, "You dirty lefties are too easy. Enjoy your weekend." Well, maybe Peter Dutton or other people complained about that. Who knows? Then on the 13th of September, I published an article, "High-profile Toowoomba alleged rapist wants suppression orders, even after Queensland government changes laws." And that goes to a YouTube video that I published. Then there's an article on the 13th of September, "Ben Roberts-Smith is attempting to conceal evidence of his war crimes from the special investigator." Well, Kerry Stokes has a long history of complaining to social media and even instituting defamation proceedings against me, so he might have complained to Facebook. And there's another article the day before, "Ben Roberts-Smith attempting to conceal evidence of his war crimes from the special investigator." One was in relation to an article I published, and one of those posts is in relation to the YouTube video I published. Then on the 10th of September, former Australian Prime Minister Scott Morrison leaks story to the ABC to promote himself again. Once again, Scott Morrison used to try and manipulate the media, manipulate social media, so he could have complained. Well, who did complain, I don't know, but the last article I published in relation to Jacinta Price and Linda Burney saying she's in effect betrayed Indigenous Australians, there was a link to a YouTube video by me. So exactly what happened, I don't know, but Facebook aren't telling me either. So it's really hard to guess. And the problem is they're looking at bringing in those new information laws, and it's not going to be any better, I don't think. All of a sudden, articles are just going to disappear. Now, people can still share my articles from my website, Kangaroo Court of Australia, and also my YouTube channel, Kangaroo Court of Australia YouTube channel. You can still share those on Facebook. They've just wiped my page, which seems very odd, especially in the current environment. Maybe Facebook did that to sort of curry favour with the current government in relation to the misinformation laws. The misinformation laws can be very damaging for the social media companies. I think the fines are up to something like $6.5 million, or up to 5% of their global revenue. So that could be billions and billions of dollars for Facebook. So maybe they just deleted my page to curry favour with the current government. Who knows? Or maybe it's one of those people complaining. Kerry Stokes, Scott Morrison, who knows? For Facebook just to give a one-line answer goes against their community standards is a joke. It means nothing. Now, I have an article up on my website, Kangaroo Court of Australia, tomorrow, Thursday the 28th of September, in relation to the new misinformation laws, which are currently before the Senate. I think they're having their hearings. People are putting submissions forward. Kangaroo Court of Australia is independent media. I publish a website and a YouTube channel, and I'm 100% crowd-funded from viewers like yourself. So please support my Patreon account. I currently have 321 patrons donating $2,119 a month, and I really need to double that to become financially viable. So please support that. You can donate any amount, $3, $5, $10, $15, $20, $30, $40, $50 a month, whatever suits your budget. It all helps out. And there'll be a link to the Patreon account below this video on YouTube and also my website. And like I said before, make sure you visit my website tomorrow for that article on the misinformation laws. And please hit the like and subscribe button and share this video on social media. Thank you for your time and have a good day.